All good there.
Okay.
All right, fellas. Didn't come up with them.
So with the birthdays.
It didn't come up there yet. Oh, here we go. What's up, fellas? We got a half case, 4-box break tonight of 2015 Topps Jumbo. I'm Pat, in here breaking here tonight. New client of Bargain Box Breaks. I've gotten the trust of Master Break Pete after I pulled a Chris Bryant purple autograph in my last case. Well, here is your 4 boxes of Topps Chrome. And we are going to get ready to rip right now since it is 10:30. Alright. Here we go. First box. Good luck, everyone. eBay break. Got a couple people in here talking now. For those who just joined, Pat in here breaking for Pete.
Big time Freddy.
Tipsy Pete, 2 tips. Alright.
Big time Freddy.
First box. Here we go. We got some purple coming up here. Let's see what we got. Non-autograph. Purple Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez, number 250 for the Phillies. Yeah, push up a little bit. There we go. Space. Over here. Got some more color coming up. Our first hit, base autograph, Kevin Plawecki for the Mets. Kevin Plawecki, Mets, base autograph. We got a Future Stars insert for the Diamondbacks.
Stu fan, come on now, Bob.
Got you, Stu fan. No problem. Alright, we got color and we got an autograph here,
folks. That's a good
auto, too. We got a Bryce Brent's green autograph. Number to 99 for the Boston Red Sox. Not a bad hit. It's good to see some color early in the case. Bryce Brent's for the Red Sox. Stu fan, who you got tonight?
Hopefully the Red Sox.
Commencements. Yasiel Puig insert for the Dodgers.
Got the Indians. Well, Pat's not going to see the Francisco Lindors, so I will look for him.
Nah, he's
I will look for any short prints, guys. Pat doesn't know what they look like. He's new to the game.
Wow, making me sound like a rookie. Got some more color coming up here. I'm just kidding. It's just a Future Stars, Matt Barnes for the Red Sox. Chris Bryant. Hit Chris Bryant last time, man. Purple autograph, so see if I can keep that mojo going. Got a green James Shields, number to 99 for San Diego Padres.
Big Jeremy, you went big tonight, didn't you? He said, I'm pulling that frickin' Bryant.
We have an Ian Kinsler Prism Refractor for the Tigers. And our next hit for the Oakland Athletics, R.J. Alvarez, base autograph for the Oakland A's. R.J. Alvarez, so not too much excitement there out of that box. It's a little color. We'll take that, though.
Still, it's $5 bucks.
Oh, $500? Just kidding.
Still got a chance, fellas.
Micah Johnson, Prism Refractor for the White Sox. Gallery of Greats, Alex Gordon. Insert for the Royals. Future Stars, Javier Baez for the Chicago Cubs. Our next hit, another base autograph from the Milwaukee Brewers, Matt Clark. Matt Clark base autograph. One more autograph up in this box.
One more, man.
One more autograph.
Next pack.
It's going to be the last pack of the box. Hopefully we get some color here.
Probably not.
Probably not, but you know, who knows? Doesn't look like color. It's not going to be. Got a Zach Wheeler Prism Refractor and the Case Killer.
Case Killer. We found a short print variation as well, guys.
Kyle Lopstein for the Detroit Tigers. Base autograph.
Just want to point this out. Short print variation. Noah Syndergaard, found by the great Pete. Tipsy Pete. Noah Syndergaard for the New York Mets. Congrats. Get $10 for that.
Big hit there. Big hit. Alright, next box. I don't know. Hopefully Bryant or Lindor in this case, maybe. Or box.
I love Kyle Lobstein, baby. Kyle Lobstein, the biggest piece of poo on the planet.
We could put together a whole Kyle Lobstein collection here from all the cool. Alright, first pack out of this box, guys. We got a purple coming up, and it's not autographed. Ryan Howard, numbered to 250 for the Phillies.
Stu Fan wants a Lindor.
You know what, Stu Fan, I got you. I got you.
Francisco. Usually there's going to be two variations, guys, probably. So, Lindor could be in the future.
Our first hit, base autograph for the St. Louis Cardinals, Samuel Tulavela.
Very good pronunciation there.
Pronunciation, that's right, Pete, for St. Louis Cardinals. Future Stars, Kansas City Royals, Brandon Finnegan.
Did just fart, so it might smell a little bit over here.
Great. It's hounding me, too, so I mean...
Ooh, that's some stinking shit there, boy.
We got no...
Do you not want me to hound you?
No, it's okay. Alright, our next hit. Another base autograph. Eric Cordier. Cordier.
Say the same thing.
For the San Francisco Giants base autograph. Sounds like a French name. Are you sure it's not French?
Pretty sure it's Cordier.
Pretty sure.
Could be wrong.
Probably are.
No idea.
Next pack.
From Green Bay.
Commencements. Masahiro Tanaka. Yankees. Commencements. Oh, that computer went. Carlos Santana Prism Refractor for the Indians.
Come on, Pat. Pull super fractor here, bub.
Seen any of them yet?
No supers in all 8 cases I broke open. Wow, we got a gold. We got a gold, ladies and gentlemen.
Not autographed. How do you say this guy's name? Rafael Yona for the Colorado Rockies. Numbered 50.
Wow. Wow, Stu Fan. Yeah. Feelings aren't hurt or nothing.
Yeah, you know. And we got a Future Stars Delson Herrera insert. Stu Fan doesn't like the mojo that Pete's bringing.
Well, Pete just, isn't bringing any.
Alright. Edwin Encarnacion Blue number to 150 base. Blue, number to 150. All right, let's see something. Let's see a Bryant or something here.
Oh, we got an orange.
All right, number to 25. Nice Gallery of the Great insert for Miguel Cabrera. Number to 25, orange. So not a bad little insert there for the Tigers. Not bad. Would have been nice to autograph. Do they have this autograph?
They do not, Pat. They do not.
All right, well, they should. Maybe I'll write them a letter. Make a suggestion. This is going to be our next hit, I think. And it is base San Diego Padres. Corey Spangenberg.
Spangenberg.
San Diego Padres base autograph.
I think I need to leave the whole house.
Future stars, Michael Taylor, Nationals. Oh, Jesus. This is Gallery of the Greats, Miguel Cabrera, Detroit Tigers, and this is just an unpleasant breaking experience.
I can't smell it.
Unpleasant breaking experience so far. So, Stu Fan agrees, yes. It's been very unpleasant.
Stu Fan wants me to leave the house. That's what he's agreeing
I think
on.
we're going to have our next hit here, folks. It looks like another base autograph. It is.
Oh, nice one.
Not bad, though. Michael Taylor. Base autograph for the Washington Nationals. Michael Taylor for the Nationals. So, I mean, not a bad base autograph, but we're due to see some color here in these last two packs. Boston Air Biscuits, too. We got some purple.
Oh.
And it is an autograph.
That we've already hit.
Purple number to 250. Kevin Plawecki for the New York Mets. So that's not exactly the color we were looking for, but
Not a bad player, not a bad player.
not a bad play, according to expert scout Pete Favario. Heard the Rangers were hitting him up for a scouting job after watching a few of his breaks.
That's a lie.
Prism Refractor, Steven Strasburg for the Nationals. Gallery of the Greats, Millville's own Mike Trout. And that'll do it for that box. So, an underwhelming box at that. Box number 2 was. Let's hope box number 3 is overwhelming.
Still have yet to hit a Yasmani Tomas autograph for the D-backs.
You know what? You ask and
8 cases, not one Tomas.
you ask and you shall receive.
No Carlos Rondon. No Jorge Soler. No Addison Russell. None of them.
What if they're all right here in this box? Here we go.
It's horseshit.
Box number 3. You want a Mikel Franco? We did hit a Franco. At least in the break that I busted, we had a Franco. I am a Phillies
One of
fan.
Michael Franco, too.
We got some purple coming up, but not autographed. Michael Kadire, purple number to 250 for the New York Mets.
To curb, I do not want a Gary Brown. No. I would hit a Gary Brown superfractor and still be pissed off. Screw Gary Brown. Him and Kyle Lobstein should get a motel room and just
Our first
do
hit,
something.
base autograph, Yimi Garcia for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Yimi.
Screw Yimmy, too. That's not jock.
Future stars, Dilson Herrera.
Yimmy's no jock.
Well, yeah. Mediocre at best is Yimi Garcia. Gonna have our next hit coming up after this Bryce Brent's
Oh, my God. Case killer.
Prism Refractor and another case killer. Matt Clark.
We already hit him once.
Base autograph for
Jesus.
the Milwaukee
Thanks,
Brewers.
Topps Chrome.
Yeah.
Matt Clark and Gary Brown. Lovers. That's what they are.
Yeah, I think. Fuck Gary Brown. Absolutely big time. Alrighty, next pack, commencements. Jose Abreu for the White Sox.
Hunter Strickland, we're getting a little bit better to curb.
Charlie Blackmon, Prism Refractor, Colorado Rockies. Dude.
Yeah, Tops, gotta love them. Gotta love them. They're the best, man. Nobody better.
David Wright, blue base, number to 150.
Christ, Mets galore.
Future Stars, Rusney Castillo for the Red Sox. Can't wait for...
Yeah, I can't wait for Bowman Chrome either, brother.
We got some color coming up here. We got green, not autographed. Ronis Elias, number to 99 for the Mariners. Number to 99.
To curb, you got to let me know what team you're going to want in Bowman Chrome or what teams. I'm going to be listing that Friday, guys, just to let you guys know. You probably already know because I already talked. Oh, we got a big short print variation. Carlos Correa for the Houston Astros. The Astros sold for a lot of money because of that card. Short print variation, Carlos Correa. Nice hit.
All right. Moving on, we got another green coming up here after this Prism Refractor.
Auto, baby. Taj!
Not a bad one coming up after this Joe Mauer Prism Refractor for the Philadelphia Phillies, who ask and you shall receive. Maikel Franco, green, number to 99, autograph.
Nice late pickup for Taj.
That's a nice little hit there for the Philadelphia Phillies. Nice little hit. We'll take that all day. All right, heating up. Absolutely. We absolutely are. All right. Following that, we got a Prism Refractor, Christian Walker for the Baltimore Orioles. Gallery of Greats, Anthony Rizzo, Chicago Cubs. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my God, he did it again. Who is shorting himself, ladies and gentlemen?
Giants and Astros to curb. Astros are gone.
This is not a box
You're the 27th person to ask me for them.
I need a break.
This is not a box break anymore. This is a sharp break.
All right, we got some more color in this box. Again, we've hit him already, but color. R.J. Alvarez, number to 150, blue.
Two color autos.
For the Oakland Athletics. And look at Topps doing big things. Two color
Holy
autographs.
cow, Tops. That means Chris Bryant's coming up.
I think that means we're heating up, if anything. As the Curb said, we're heating up.
Todd, you need a break here all the time, you know?
Future Stars, Rafael Yona for the Colorado Rockies.
You and Shim used to love me, but I don't know what happened, you know? You just don't love me no more.
Well, I think that they'll start loving me and come back. Got another autograph coming up here, fellas, after this Prism Refractor.
Is that another duplicate?
Jonathan Lucroy. No, I don't think we have him.
He's not too bad.
Not too bad.
He's not
the
Kyle
best.
Lobstar.
He's, yeah, a little better than Kyle last time. We got a Michael Johnson base autograph for the Chicago White Sox. No Lobstein. As long as we don't see the entertainment value is big time, Freddie. I know that's what Pete prides himself on here at Barton Box Breaks is the entertainment value. So
Don't make me blush now, all right? Don't make me blush.
Dallas Keuchel, Prism Refractor. And we got one more box, fellas, until you have to say goodbye to me. Yep, no BS here. That's right.
Well, there is a lot of bullshit here, but, you know, just none of that other stuff.
Box numero 4, last box. Here we go. Good luck. I'm opening it backwards.
Come on, Chris Bryant. Show yourself, you son of a bitch. Show yourself.
I'm gonna say we're gonna see a little Jock Peterson in this case or in this box.
Jeremy wants it. He's calling it. I'm calling it. Chris Bryant is coming. It's going to be a gold refractor auto. Here we go, baby. Come on.
Wow, gold. Future stars Jorge Soler for the Cubs.
Jorge.
Yasiel Puig, Gallery of Greats.
Super.
Let's see some super. Alright.
We need a super.
Got some green coming up. Not autographed. Ian Desmond, number to 99 for the Washington Nationals. Ian Desmond.
I love Yasiel Puig and his antics. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Stufe! There it is, buddy. That's what he was looking for. Stufe with a Lindor. Francisco.
Now let's get one of those autographed. All base in that pack. Is this something? Prism Refractor, James Shields, San Diego Padres.
And that is another short print variation, baby. Houston Astros, short print variation, Jose Altuve. Look at that.
There you go. That's right, we are looking for ink, Stu fan. We'll get you some ink, no worries. We got some gold coming up here, fellas. We're due for an autograph. Ugh. Hunter Pence, non-autograph, number to 50. We are due for some ink here. Number to 50, Hunter Pence.
Pretty sure that Altuve's a variation.
Future Stars, Anthony Renato for
Go
the
back.
Texas Rangers. Sorry to get you all excited there. Think gold.
Guys, I got one box of Bowman Sterling sitting at the house. If anyone is interested, let me know. We can break it right now. I'll do it cheap. $35 a division.
Gonna have our first hit after this Pablo Sandoval, and it's gonna be a duplicate. Pablo Sandoval Prism Refractor. Blake Swihart, base autograph. Blake Swihart.
The curb's in. Anyone else? $35 a random division, guys. Bowman Sterling, one box, 18 autos. We'll run it right after this if you guys are interested.
We're gonna have our next hit in this pack.
Ugh.
Ugh. Red Sox, Edwin Escobar, base autograph. He went a little crazy on that one with the pen.
He's a turd.
Future Stars, Steven Weah for the Tigers. Let's see some color. We're going to have some purple coming up here. Aroldis Chapman, number to 250, purple. Cincinnati Reds. Commencements, Anthony Rendon for the Washington Nationals. Prism Refractor, Javier Baez for the Chicago Cubs. Dwindling down here, fellas. Dwindling down. We're going to have our next hit in this pack. It's going to be a base autograph. Jake Lamb for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Base autograph. Jake Lamb.
Anybody else? Anybody else interested in Bowman Sterling one box division break?
Now our next hit in this pack. Raimir Liriano, base autograph for the Padres. Raimir Liriano, Padres base autograph. Two packs left. Two packs left.
You got 4 spots left in Bowman.
We're going to have a blue coming up here. Woo!
Nice hit, baby. Finally pull him.
Number to 150, Yasmani Thomas blue autograph.
Not Chris Bryant, but nice hit for the D-backs.
Number to 150, there he is. I told you, you asked, you shall receive. Nice hit for the Diamondbacks, Yasmani Thomas. Number to 150, blue. So that is nice. Nice way to end this case, this half case that we just broke. We have one pack left. We got one more person for Sterling.
Dodge is in. We got 3 left.
Gallery of Greats, Johnny Cueto for the Reds. And that'll be all she wrote for the case. Do a quick recap for you before I sign off. We got Yasmani Thomas, number to 150 blue for the Diamondbacks. Ramiro Liriano, base autograph, Padres. Jake Lamb, Diamondbacks, base autograph. Edwin Escobar, Red Sox, base autograph. Blake Swihart, Red Sox, base autograph. Micah Johnson, base autograph, White Sox. RJ Alvarez, number to 150 blue, autograph for the Oakland Athletics. Maikel Franco, green, number to 99, autograph for the Phillies. Matt Clark, base autograph, Brewers. Yimi Garcia, base autograph, Dodgers. Kevin Plawecki, number to 250, purple autograph for the Mets. Michael Taylor, base autograph for the Nationals. Corey Spangenberg, base autograph for the Padres. Eric Cordair, base autograph for Giants. Samuel Tulavela, base autograph for the Cardinals. Kyle Lopstein, the case killer, base autograph for the Tigers. Matt Clark, another base autograph for the Brewers. RJ Alvarez, base autograph for the A's. Bryce Brent's, green, number to 99 for the Red Sox. Good break for the Red Sox. Kevin Plawecki, base autograph to round them out.
Guys, we got 1 spot left for the division. 1 spot left. Division break. Anybody?
Should I stop recording?
Anybody? Yes.
Thanks for breaking with me. Hope to see you guys again soon. Good case, half case of 2015 Topps Chrome Jumbo.
To Curb, I got you in 1
Signing
second,
off on
bud.
Street.
1 second.